income. In this video we are talking about Tomarket staking. The last video I made, I talk about how to stake your Tomato and Dodge chain coin. So that staking is over, and we have done another staking. So the test staking is taking place now. So if you're still playing this game, well, I don't know if they are going to award more token to those who are playing it. So if you're playing it, no problem, until the whole game stop working, you know that they are no longer going to award a token and the project has ended. Since it's still on, you can still be playing. But for me, I will concentrate on the staking. Now we have done the first token, which is a dog chain. You stake Tomato and a dog chain. The second one also, this one lasted for just 24 hours. We stake Tomato and piggy. Now if you look at what they gave me here, 13,433 for dog. Why this one? If you go to view, you will see that it's still, they are still calculating it. Let's see, calculating in progress. But when you come to the interface here, you see something like total airdrop 25 million. So when they finish, we should be able to know what each and every one is allocated. Now what the next token is a PixelSwap. So I'm going to stake my Tomato and PixelSwap. Some people are scared of taking all they have, but I will do the staking and right on. So let's continue here. As you can see here, the pool quota is filled. I cannot even join this staking, so I miss out on this. It means I didn't come on time, so I'm not staking this one because the pool quota is filled up. So there are many people waiting for this staking. So I think Toma is doing well by giving people, allowing people to stake and earn coin from new project coming up. This piece of staking started some minutes ago, so I couldn't join. But if you go down here, you look at this place, you see something here, get more. So check here, click this place. When you click this place, you see something, say plus 13.41 equals to 1,739 Toma. Claim 1,739 Toma every week. So I will claim this, and then this is for the last 1 week. So it means they are still giving Toma. So those of you also carry out playing the tax, it means there's something for you guys too. Weekly Toma. So I've gotten this. That's good. So if you miss out on this, wait for the next project that they will be displaying or advertising here. The moment that is up, just target the exact time it will come up. The staking will start so that you can join early and miss out. This is painful. I would have loved to be part of this one too. So that is it. So this is becoming interesting. I think this staking is people are beginning to accept the staking, and the awareness is all going now, because the first one people were scared and they couldn't join. Even some people mine halfway, they didn't stake all the coin they have. Some try with 10 out of thousands of coin they have. Now they are staking everything because they discovered that the project seems to be real, and the issue of unstaking is not a problem. Once they are about to list, they will end the staking and everybody will unstake their token. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you receive notification whenever I make a video, and also like and share this video. You can check out my playlist and see other videos which I have posted and which might interest you also. Thank you for watching.